So guys, before we start, we need something to drink. I haven't had coffee this morning. I know I'm not supposed to have energy drink, but my energy is on 0. So let's have something to drink first, and then we're gonna do makeup. I'm so excited. And then we're gonna have a cute chit chat that I'm really excited about. So I'm gonna have 1 cup so that my energy levels can go up. Very nice. So the energy drink is peach, watermelon, and strawberry, and pear. It's very nice, high in caffeine. So guys, the first thing that we are going to do, we're gonna use primer for my face. This is a Fit Me primer. I bought it. Well, what is that shop? I forgot the shop that I bought it from. So basically, we're gonna do like cheap products so that if you're a beginner and you're thinking of where to buy your makeup, you can know where to buy it. This was like, how much was this? I think this was 29 rand. So just gonna apply it on my face and make sure that everything. One thing about makeup is so expensive, you guys. I feel like when you're starting to do your makeup, you should try and get like affordable makeup. Don't worry about the influencers that have like expensive makeup. Trust me, some of them, they get makeup from brands. Some of them, they already have the coin to buy makeup. So don't put yourself under pressure. You can still be pretty with using less money. I'm probably not going to use a lot of money, like a lot of money on this video, just maybe less than 500 rand. So do watch and do take pictures. If you're starting with your makeup journey, you know that at least you can get cheaper makeup somewhere, because sometimes when you go to shops, everything just looks super expensive and you're just like, how did we get here? How did we get here? Because Mughal, everything becomes so super expensive. So I've put it by primer. Guys, for my foundation, I normally use this too. So this is a Wow foundation, but I don't know why now my face, I have to mix these 2 colors. This is caramel, this is number 8, this is caramel. So I have to use these 2 foundation for in order for me to get the color that I want. If I use this one, maybe this one alone, I become too dark, and if I use this one, I become too light. So when I put them together, I get the color. But each of this foundation is 105 rand. So see, it's not that expensive. I love it on my face. I don't have problems with it. But because this one, it's almost finished. Yeah, that's it. So this is the foundation, and then I'm gonna mix it with this one. This one I still have quite a lot. And then just pour here. Okay, it's finishing also. It's also finishing. I don't really put makeup that much. I have my days, like I have my months where I will go maybe probably a whole month without makeup. And then I don't have skin problems also. I don't really have skin problems. Even when I'm on my periods, I will just have one pimple. You see here, I had one. But other than that, if I eat clean and drink a lot of water, my skin doesn't give me much problems. So I really like that about my skin. So first thing first, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna do this part. I know I still like doing this part for me. So for my eyebrows, I used Pure Soap. The Pure Soap, you can find it at what's the shop? You can find it at Clicks. I think it's 28 rand or something, but it's not expensive at all. And then you just put water and apply it on your eyebrows. Then put a pencil liner on top, and then yeah, you see my eyebrows, they look so much better. Then I'm just gonna brush, gonna make sure everything is in. And then I do the same thing. I know most people, they say you must not put foundation on your hand, but child, as a beginner, I am definitely going to put it. It just makes my life so much easier. It makes so much easy. So yeah, and then I just draw this nicely. One thing about YouTube that I've learned, YouTube is gonna challenge you. YouTube is gonna challenge your talents. I love YouTube so much. It makes you come out of your comfort zone. The things that you thought you were gonna do on YouTube, you find yourself being so creative. One thing about me, I am not the best person when it comes to makeup, né? But I can do hair. I can do braids. I love doing braids. I love doing anything that has to do with plaiting. I'm not too much on wigs, but I love like braids and stuff. So my hands, I'm really good at doing braids. I think I can be good at doing wig and stuff if I can just put my mind to it and be like, you know what, I really want to learn how to do wigs and makeup. I think I can be really good. I feel like my hands, I'm pretty talented. That's the word. When it comes to my hands, and I feel like God is just looking at me and like, when you are sleeping on money. You're sleeping on money. If you can just work with your hands, you can make so much money and you can just be free and make money at your own time. So foundation on. So I'm gonna put it like this and then just leave it a few minutes and then it's gonna be like it's gonna dry. So this thing I bought it at China Mall. I don't remember when, a long time ago. When I started on YouTube, like before like long time ago, I think 3 years ago, 4 years ago, when I was still like trying, and then I would be mad for my videos when I got 45 views. I was so mad. I'm like, I'm not trying this thing anymore. But I've learned that I need to chill, man. Chill, just post when that one person that spends time watching your channel, it's a lot. It's a lot. So I had to learn. But it's okay. Just post the work. It doesn't matter. It does matter, but at the same time, it really doesn't matter because if I'm gonna be stressed about that, then the only thing that I've learned is that I need to build another business, so that I don't really get bothered when YouTube doesn't do what I wanted to do, and also focus on my education and build myself besides YouTube, because you don't know when YouTube is going to pick up. And also the funny thing about content, 1 minute you are up there, 1 minute you can go down. So definitely you can do YouTube, but have something on the side. Have something. It can be school, it can be salon. Have something besides YouTube. YouTube, just do it because I can say just to promote yourself, so that, I don't know, brands can find you, the people that you need can find you. You can build a beautiful community, because that's what I'm praying for. I really want a beautiful community on my channel. That's what I want. That's what I'm praying for. I always say I don't understand people who watch content creators that they don't like, and then they come back online and say, yo, I don't like this. Then they come back online complaining about those content creators like, yo, I don't like Mang Mang's content. Why are you watching it? Like, it doesn't make sense to me. Like, it would never make sense to me, but you're gonna spend for hours your time, your data to watch somebody that you don't like. I would never do that to myself. You sit there and watch a content creator that I don't like. What do you mean? All the content creators that I spend my time, because I like them. Sometimes they don't even give much information, but I just like their personality. That's all. I just like their personality. I always get nervous when I'm supposed to do this, because if it doesn't I don't want a lot of makeup today, just the simple makeup. So what I wish I knew when I was in my 20s, I wish I would have done better. Honestly, I wish that I was selfish about my time. I wish I was so selfish about my time that now that I'm in my 30s, early 30s, I don't play with my time. I don't pay attention on things that have nothing to do with me. Um, I don't go to people who don't like me. The minute that I sense that you don't like me, I'm out. I'm not even asking, but do you like? Once I sense it, but you see here, it's like I'm forcing myself to be here. No, I'm out. Once I feel off, I'm out. I don't mind being alone home. I don't mind being alone. Stay at home and be alone and do my stuff and go to the gym. I think one of and create content and watch people creating content and just plan my life. But where am I going with my life? And I bought it at Clicks. I don't know. I think it's 59 rand. Chip. This is caramel. I don't know, guys. Caramel. I don't know if it's my color anymore. And so, what do I love about myself? I think I love myself too much. I'm a very protective person when it comes to myself. I'm very protective when it comes to me. I look out for myself. I don't know. I wish in my 20s I was like this. I'm very protective of my time. Everything, man, about me. I don't mind to leave certain people. Like it's the same as when you come and argue with me. There's a possibility that I won't react to that. I won't react to that. There's a very high possibility that I will just leave you there and then you will see yourself honestly because I feel like when I'm arguing it takes a lot for me. Like when I'm arguing with someone, I can feel the pain in my voice, I can feel the pain in my body. I hate it. I feel like if you don't like something about me, sit me down and be like, bro, I don't like what you did. I don't like, have a conversation. So this is the lipstick that I am going to use here. I bought it from Exact. It's, how much was it? 49 rand or 39 rand. So just gonna blend this. This is the powder that I'm going to use. It's also a face powder. It's Wow Foundation. This is 60-70 rand. So I was going to, it has this, it comes up with this, but I'm going to use this one. This one I bought it from China Mall. I think they were like 15 rand and there were 3 of them. This one I bought it for, this one was a bit expensive, 39 rand. This one at China Mall. And I bought it from Pep at a lab. Or Jets, yeah, Jets, I think. So I'm just gonna, because we are doing a simple makeup and I just wanted to show you that as a beginner you can actually have makeup that is not too pricey. You can go and buy makeup and actually start learning how to do your makeup, and then when you're a pro now you can start buying the expensive one. I think that's how I'm doing it. So we're gonna use this color. I bought this, I think at China Mall also. So this is the color that we are going for. Then this is the setting spray that I'm going to use. Close your eyes. Don't. Then I'm gonna dry this off. And then I'm going to do my lips. I'm gonna use this brown. I bought it also at China Mall. Then we're gonna use this lipstick. This one is the same one that I used here. I bought it from Exit. Yeah, so I don't want something too shiny. Show me what's happening now. Here and I tried. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please do subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video and you want me to do more of these videos, please comment down below. I will see you on my next video.